Hi, I'm Tom, owner of Pour Inc., a mobile bartending service based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and today we're going to be making a margarita. Let's get to pouring. All right, with this cocktail, we're gonna be building everything in a shaker because we are using citrus juice. Anytime you use citrus, you wanna make sure you shake your cocktail to make sure you break up those molecules, having them blend together really well and create a very balanced cocktail. If you don't have a shaker, use a blender bottle, use a shaker bottle, use a thermos, anything that you can have a cover to it. We're gonna start with our lime juice. We're gonna be using 3/4 ounce of lime. We're gonna go right into our simple syrup, which is gonna be a 1/2 ounce. We're using a little less simple syrup than a normal sour cocktail because our orange liqueur that we're gonna be adding later is going to have some sweetness to it as well. We're then gonna add 2 ounces of tequila. I like a reposado, but you can definitely use a silver or a mezcal, but that's definitely gonna change up the flavor. Then we're gonna go to our orange liqueur. I like to use Goodland, which is from a local distillery called Great Lakes here in Milwaukee. You can definitely use something different. I suggest not going cheap on the orange liqueur because it definitely changes up the flavor and the balance and everything that's really good in a cocktail. You can go a little cheaper on tequila, but don't skimp on the orange liqueur. I used 3/4 ounce of that orange liqueur. We're now gonna add our ice to get shaken. All right, we're gonna take our small tin, dump it into our tall tin, hit it down. We're gonna do a long shake, which is about 10 seconds or until your fingers start to get a little cold. When you're shaking, you wanna make sure you're hitting the ice on the top and the bottom of the shaker to make sure you're diluting it properly and mixing it properly. We're gonna take our Hawthrone Strainer now and a tea strainer. We're gonna double strain into a coupe glass. We wanna double strain because we don't want that ice rink with all those ice chips on the top because that will dilute the cocktail more, and we wanna make sure we have all that flavor. All right, now we're gonna do the garnish. The garnish, there's tons of things you can do. I like to use a lime wheel, which is simply just cutting the lime in half. I like to go a little thin on this. Pretty paper thin like that. We're gonna lay it right on top. And then we're gonna add just a touch of salt, a little punch of flavor. And there you have your margarita. Cheers. That's fucking delicious. And then we're gonna put a little salt just to give it a little